May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be safe. May I be secure. May I be well. May I be happy. May my heart be open to love. May I find peace in times of conflict. May I find courage in the face of fear. May I find comfort in time of sorrow. May I find wisdom in the passing years. May my heart be open to love.